Today, the Relief Month is celebrated not only for its educational value, but also for its heritage significance. It has been declared a national cultural treasure by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines. And just beside the relief mound is the St. James Church. The church is located in the Poblacion, town center of Dapitan City, Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines. So it falls under the jurisdiction of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Dipolog. The feast day of the patron, St. James the Greater, is celebrated on July 25.